Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I know I'm looking cute, I'm looking takeaway. I know that myself, and I did the makeup myself. I am going for an event. It's called Sip and Paint. It's organized by one of my friend that organized my vlog, my Masiki vlog. She's inviting me based on who I am, like a celebrity. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me anyways. So I'm all dressed, I'm looking pink, I'm looking cute, I'm looking all nice, and I've picked out the clothes I'll be wearing. I'll be wearing this two-piece, this green two-piece. I'm going to be dressing like a Nigerian flag today. So I'm going to be wearing this two-piece, a skirt and a crop top with this white purse and a white shoe. I'll see you guys when I'm done dressing. This stuff starts when I think 5:30, and this is past 5. This is a few minutes past 5. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys when I'm done dressing, and you guys will see the goodness of God in me. So yeah, guys, so I'm done dressing. I am looking fabulous. Let me show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing this two-piece, this crop top and a skirt, and I'm pairing it with my white shoe and my white bag. So I'm dressing like a Nigerian flag. I'm dressing like a Nigerian flag anyways. So now I'll be on my way because it's 5:30 and I was meant to be there by 5:30. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. I don't know if I should wear a necklace or something. I'll figure that out later, and I'll see you guys when I get there, okay? Thanks for coming and custom made here the canvas. Hello. See the gorgeous.
Hi, Azimat subscribers. How you guys doing?
They're doing fine.
I'm sure. Thanks for supporting my vlog.
Thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome, my darling. Look good as usual.
Thank you. So we're about to start. Sorry, not about to start because I don't even know when to start.
We're waiting for about 5 people. Once they arrive,
okay,
they are very close.
Okay.
Hello there.
So we're waiting for a few people. So once they are here, we would start. So yeah. Okay, so let me show you guys. Oh, okay. I see why they said we should wear see me. I will vest my clothes. So this is what we are doing. Dollar. Oh shit. Dollar cup Picasso.
I don't know what kind of tree this is,
but was looking fine from afar. Was looking really nice from afar. We are done with our Picasso, so we're about to take photos together. 1, 2, 3. Get to be sick of me. Hey guys, so I wanted to register for gym, but the gym closer to me, like very very close to me, they are not open. So I'm just going to be checking on them like later, maybe on Monday. Maybe they're not open because of Salah ceremony thing, because it was like 3 days or 4 days holiday I was given to us in Turkey. Maybe they are still taking the whole week off and they will come back next week, which is Monday. I won't rush to book to have anything yet. I'm just going to chill till Monday and then go, because the other one is not far from my place also, but the only thing is I have to climb hills, and imagine after leg day I'm climbing hills. Make it make sense. On Monday I'm going to check again and see. And yeah, I just want to go to my friend's shop. I have cash, so I need to put money in my ATM, sorry, in my bank account, because I don't want to carry cash. And yeah, and look for something to eat because I'm hungry. I'm back home. And today is Amala Day. Today is Amala Day, and I'm taking Amala today. I'm eating Amala today. I've already gone to the restaurant to buy it. I will show you guys the Amala. Like, even when I go there, like, the woman has already know what I'm here to buy. Amalabi? I will say yes. I will say yes. Ewedu and gbegiri. I don't know what ewedu is called in English, but gbegiri is just bean soup. Stew here with cow leg, goat meat, and different kind of orishi. Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, it's afternoon. I am going to register for the gym today because I was told to come today. And after the gym, I am going to the mall. I want to get clothes for my picnic. I'm having a picnic date with few people. So I want to get clothes for my picnic, and I want to get Zara perfumes. I have perfumes, but I just feel like getting Zara perfumes. Perfume is never too much. And what else? And yeah, I want to go to the cinema. I want to watch Doctor Strange. I just want to take myself out. I just want to go to the cinema. I'm all dressed and ready to go. I'm wearing a biker shirt with this sweatshirt and my bucket hat and my Air Force, white Air Force with socks. I just feel like dressing like. God, it's so cute. It's so nice. This one is not bad, but do they have my size? Yeah, it's nice, but it's big for me. I know the bra I wore, the top bra I wore is not the best, but it's nice. If only this armpit area can snitch more. I like the way my bum is looking inside. It's nice, but I need it to be snitched. Like this place. What's this? What is this? I booked my movie ticket for 5 o'clock, so that's the only one that is showing 3D now. The one that is for 3:30 is for 2D.
Like this is actually the first time I'll be trying this crispy chicken. This cinnamon cheesecake is so nice.
2 hours later.
Cinema break makes sense because I was pressed and I don't want to leave the cinema. But now that there's break, I had to do whatever I had to do. So now I'm going back. See you after my movie, okay?
Later.
Okay, so we are done with our movie and then it was very interesting. But I'm at this massage. Just want to do 10 minutes massage. Just my back and my waist. It has been aching me like since and I don't have time to like go to a proper spa to massage it. So now I just want to do it here. And I will go to the gym today if there's still time. I'll go to the gym today to start. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys when I'm done and I'll see you guys when I get home. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I'm back home since afternoon. This is like this is past 8. I went to a drugstore, so I got panty liner for the ladies. And I bought floss, dental floss. And I bought this from Zara. I have perfumes, like I think how many perfumes have I have enough perfumes, but I wanted Zara perf. So this is the black amber. This is the real red velvet. This one especially smells delicious. Smells very nice. I bought donuts from Crispy's again because today was actually the first time I was trying their donuts. I will ever try their donuts. So I got the cinnamon cheesecake donut, which I love this one. I have it with my tea. I'm lactose intolerant, but don't worry, I will deal with it myself. Let me go to the toilet after drinking all this. After enjoying myself, I'll deal with it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay well, stay awesome, and most importantly, always be the best of yourself. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.